Hey there. Hi, my name is Sai Gunavanth, third year BTech CSE student at Bennett University. Today, I would like to talk about the role of artificial intelligence in space exploration as a part of our coursework seminar on special topic. Let's first see what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. The term may also be applied to any machine that exhibit traits associated with the human mind, such as learning and problem solving. Let's see the agenda of today's video. Advances in artificial intelligence have allowed us to make progress in all kinds of disciplines, and these are not limited to applications on this planet. From designing machines to clearing Earth's orbit of junk. Let's see. Now, now if we combine the idea of these terms, mainly AI and space exploration, keeping in the mind recent development in the field of artificial intelligence, imagine how easy it would be for scientists and explorers to achieve their goals and how it would affect our lives. Here are few ways artificial intelligence can help us venture further in space. Can AI be used of space exploration in general? Yes. Let's check. Satellite data image processing. Earth observation satellites generate enormous amounts of data. This is received by ground station in chunks over a large period of time and has to be pieced together before it can be analyzed. Artificial intelligence can come to our rescue for detailed satellite data analysis. For the sheer volume of data received, AI has been very effective in processing it smartly. AI technologies are already being used to spot things like black holes and radio galaxies. Without AI algorithms, people would have to process data on their own, which could make information less accurate. Let's see the use cases of satellite image data processing. Spatial telescopes also produce lot of images of the Earth, which are useful for obtaining information about weather conditions and up-to-date online maps. By this, combining meteorological data with satellite imagery for wind speed estimation, and artificial intelligence has also helped with solar radiation estimation using geostationary satellite data, among many other applications. Let's see what's AI-based assistance. Do the names Tars and Case ring any bells? Yes, these are the robots from the very famous movie Interstellar. If you remember the role of Tars and Case in the movie, imagine how useful they would be in assisting the astronauts in real life. Scientists are developing artificial intelligence-based assistants to aid astronauts in their mission. This artificial intelligence assistants can detect any danger in space missions. These assistants are designed to understand and predict the requirement of the crew. Let's see what are the use cases of this artificial intelligence-based assistants. Simon was sent to ISS. Simon is a spherical robot artificial intelligence that can converse with astronauts at the International Space Station. Simon will help eliminate these issues by acting as a personal assistant by finding all of the information for the astronauts faster. For example, let's say that an astronaut is working on a project at the International Space Station and they have a question about the project. This would mean that they need to stop what they are doing, float over to a laptop, find the information, and then get back to the experiment station. Simon eliminated all of this work by finding this information for the astronauts. Just you'd ask Siri or Alexa a question and would provide you with an answer. The same is true for Simon. And NASA is working on a robonaut which will work alongside with the astronauts or take on tasks that are too risky for astronauts. Now let's see what is the role of artificial intelligence in discovery of planets. NASA's Kepler telescope was designed to determine the frequency of Earth-sized planets orbiting around Sun-like stars. But these planets were on the edge of the mission's detection sensitivity. Accurately determining the occurrence rate of these planets required automatic and accurate assessing the likelihood that individual candidates are indeed planets, even at a low signal-to-noise ratio. To overcome this limitation, researchers from Google and other scientists used a convolutional neural network named AstroNet K2 to predict whether a given signal from Kepler's Space Telescope is a transiting planet or a false positive caused by astrophysical or instrumental phenomena. By training this neural network model up to 98% approximately, they successfully identified two new planets, namely Kepler 80g and Kepler 90I, orbiting Kepler 80 star system and Kepler 90 star system respectively. Now let's see how artificial intelligence helps navigation system in space. On Earth, we are used to tools such as Google Maps, which use GPS or other navigation systems. But there is no such a system for other extraterrestrial bodies for now. We do not have any navigation satellites around the Moon or Mars, but we could use the millions of images we have from observation satellites such as the LRO. In 2018, a team of researchers from NASA, in collaboration with Intel, developed an intelligent navigation system using artificial intelligence to explore the planets. They trained the model on the millions of photographs available from various missions and created a virtual moon map for shortest route. Now let's see how artificial intelligence helps satellites to avoid space debris. Ever thought about what happens to satellites and spaceships that are sent to space and never make it back to the Earth? Well, those turns into space junk. Space debris or space junk is a piece of machinery or debris left by humans in space. It can refer to big objects such as dead satellites that have failed or been left in orbit at the end of their mission. The real concern with these space debris is that when they collide with the satellites or the spacecraft, they leave a dent on the body, which sometimes becomes the primary reason for space accidents. To overcome these problems, scientists are using deep learning to enhance the accuracy of laser ranging technology, which was traditionally used. They used backpropagation neural network models for pinpointing the location of debris. It was also mentioned that after improving the pointing accuracy of the telescope through a deep learning technique, space debris with a cross-sectional area of 1 meter squared and a distance of 1500 kilometers can be identified accurately. This keeps the danger of in-orbit collisions at a minimum. Conclusion: there are so many other research going on implementing artificial intelligence in space exploration. As we carry on to explore the universe, we will continue to plan ambitious missions to satisfy our curiosity as well as to improve the human lives on Earth. Although, like other applications of AI, nothing can be secure and concrete. At the end of the day, we need human interventions in everything artificial intelligence is capable of. With each innovation, artificial intelligence is coming closer to providing new insights and proving to be an advantage for humans in exploring the interstellar space. With the innovative machine and projects and researchers in our future endeavors, artificial intelligence will help us both on space and on Earth make this exploration possible. This all our, this is not just the implement artificial intelligence in space exploration, There are many other ways in which artificial intelligence can be helpful in space exploration. Thank you.